Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, we had done some exercise of smiling and smiling to our own self and making each self smile. So, was there any difference the whole day when your body feels wanted, loved, and each cell is smiling? Did we feel some difference maybe for few hours? Because then we get connected to the things outside very fast. I mean, the negativity really hits us soon. Anu ka to I know she see, I'll tell you, Anu, if you feel that you had a bad time with somebody, my experience says we can't change people, even but why not avoid that toxicity that we can't control it, and we are humans get affected for a while, maybe not for more, but for a while. And that entire whole day work, whatever we have done in the morning or we are practicing it comes to जब तक नेगेटिविटी को बचाना नहीं चाहिए. What do you say, Sudha ji?
I had a good day yesterday. It was nice. Even if there were moments, we tried and avoided it. So, by keeping myself happy, I said, okay, this is what they are, so don't bother about it. So, that's how I got through my day.
That is, Anu, I would like it has to be a conscious effort from our part that people are there. If they will know you're happy, then how you're happy, what you're doing, and if they do, you normally tell them they will put something, they will criticize it that we may not like it. So it is better not to share things what we are doing. I feel because you will get the vibe. Are they interested or not? If they really they want to hear it or not, or they just want to hear to gossip or something, and that affects us. So in initial days when we are trying to become strong, initial days means we are always just a speck in the universe, but we can still say that we should try to avoid mingling with such people because they rob our energies. I don't know, somehow. What's the point?
What's the point? Yes,
है ना? अब I
that's
don't know
true.
what happened to the discussion and everything you had yesterday, but the thing is, we should avoid as far as possible. And you should know the art of diverting the talk conversation. I've seen people do it very beautifully. उनको
Right.
नहीं बात करनी होगी ना कोई बात में, अब 4 बार I've tried. I'll 4 बार I will bring that topic again, and they will beautifully avoid without saying it. You also know that they are avoiding, and they also know they don't want to talk about it. If they can do, why can't we do?
I agree. That's true.
That's a boundary we have to create and learn. Everybody would come and throw their dirt on us, not possible. We are finding time for ourselves. We are working on ourselves, and then in a minute they come
But
and smile.
sometimes, like it happens with the kids also, like, you don't want to, they say something, you don't want to argue with them or discuss with them, but they keep provoking you. Then what? Sometimes, like, you lose it. Like,
Hmm. That also we have to learn because if they're grown-up kids, I think we should. It's more Americanized here in India, and I feel that's better. वो जो होना ना Americanized तो क्या बोलेंगे? Detachment,
gosh, mm,
है ना? बड़े हो जाते हैं जब detachment. ठीक है, तुम्हें जरूरत है, आ जाओ. We will advise you without being asked. Never advise them. Only then they will value you. Generally, है ना? So let's start with the thing. So that you want to say something, Chandan ji, I was just discussing code.
No,
Uh,
no, no, nothing to discuss. It's just that when Anuji shared her experiences with kids also, the same thing is what we need to understand. Okay, you want to say, you say, you don't want to say, just leave it. I mean, it's okay. I don't mind. But yes, sometimes what they say, sometimes sometimes they say that sometimes they say something which hurts us. I agree. But then either you tell them very politely that, boss, you have hurt me, I don't like it. So that is where you draw the line. And then there are other times when you say, chalo, let's go, leave it, let go. So it depends on our frame of mind also. How they do hurt a lot. I mean, I wouldn't do this to my parents, but they do it to us very easily.
yeah.
So
generation generation gap. We were the type of like generation coming from that generation. We would not. We would just obey what they say. We would
And then
not.
yesterday, and then sometimes when they say something, they say, "Oh, I didn't mean it that way. You took it
Yeah.
wrong." That's when you don't realize. I said, "Huh? When did that happen?" So that's the thing. Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Nothing more.
let's
Thank you.
start. Okay, I'm not going.